Hi. In this video, we will discuss about this app called Warp. This is basically a replacement of your command line or terminal integrated with the AI. So this is started with this intelligent terminal kind of, but now they added a features like you can start coding, you can run agents, all this. In this example, we'll just see how we can actually make use of terminal without having much idea about running those commands, complicated co- terminal commands and all. So in this example, I'll explain a practical example where I have my code in my local machine and there are updates in the cloud as well. Now, when I'm trying to push the code, let me show you first. So these are the three files I updated here. Now, even if I add this to the staging, this is not getting pushed to the uh, GitHub. Why? Because there are some changes there which I'm not able to pull as well. Now, if I try to git pull, you can see. Now, in this case, I have to spend time to fix these things. Instead of that, what I'll do here, I can select from terminal to the agent mode. And now, if I try to git pull, see, it is trying to understand what went wrong, right? Now, it is going to give you the suggestions what you can do it. I can merge, which uh, I can rebase, I can fast forward only. So I'll say I'll go with a merge. I want to push my local changes to GitHub. To make sure I don't lose the data, I just mention this so that it can suggest me if I am doing anything wrong. So it is actually giving you the what it can do. And if I want to change it, I can click on edit or I can refine it by giving it another prompt. But in this case, I am okay. So I'll say run. Okay. So it also suggested in the local, I don't have, I mean, I have, there is certain files pending for staging. So I added to the staging. It automatically written the commit command as well. I said, okay. Now let me do the git pull. Still there is a conflict. So I can remove this file. See, in this case, I am not worried about what git commands I have to use. So it currently using a Sonnet, I believe. Let me show you that as well. Perfect. It completed up to the git push. It completed all the changes. So this is what I was facing in the while doing the code. So here you can see I'm not able to push earlier. Right now, instead of for me spending time to get the right commands in place, I just use the warp here to get these done. So by just giving a simple natural language, you will be able to run various commands like this. Now, if I want to run normal command without any, here you can see it is using the Cloud4 Sonnet. We have these different models. Now, if I don't want to use this agent mode, I can switch to the terminal and I can run the normal commands. For example, if I want to know what is my current directory, I'll run the pwd. But same thing, if I use this agent mode, I'm going to use the credits from here. Recently, they increased the limit as well. You can see here. So you can see here, I have 2500 credits. The pricing, if you can see, this is how it is. In the Pro plan, you get 2500 AI requests per month. So this is the plan right now I am in. So try this out. It is available with the free plan as well, I believe. You can get a In the free plan, you get 150 requests per month. So you'll be able to use for critical tasks. You can even create your own automations. I was using this swap initially for pushing the code to two different repositories at the same time, to GitHub and GitLab at the same time. Using this agent mode, I am able to push it. Maybe we'll come up with a few more scenarios soon. If you have any questions, please put in the comments. Thanks for watching.